Bulla. They say bulla, that means hello. That is so nice of them. Hot. Hot as. Hot as. It was just hot. As hot as if I touched the sun. When I went to swim with the fish, they were all different colours and they were different to the ones in New Zealand. What did you see on the fish? I saw a stingray, clownfish, fish. All the kids have dinner together at Kids Club. Kids Club? Kids Club. Right, hide and seek, tag. I got my face painted when we watched the crab races and we watched frogs having a race. The funnest part was getting my hair painted. I wish I had long hair so they could weigh my too. I love mango. There were more coconuts there in New Zealand because New Zealand doesn't have palm trees. They hold fire on and they were swinging around the street. And they put it in their mouth. They went, yeah, they like that. I love Fiji.